Drifting snow. This has been a while since we've had a blizzard warning, but a couple winters back, I guess. So take it easy, prepare, plan. Okay, here we go with Snow Tracker. I do need to point out that perhaps this far northern edge of the snow might not be reaching the ground for those of you north yet, but it will be here. And in fact, there are probably even some heavier bands that are approaching from the west. I mentioned earlier, back over here at Wautoma, JR Weather Observer there has already had 1.5 inches of snowfall accumulation. And there's plenty of snow off to the west that's going to be streaming eastward here as the night wears on. So what I'm really saying is it's all downhill from this point forward, okay?
Great.
Well, there you go with Pinpoint Predictor at 7 p.m. And again, the snow comes and goes overnight. Some of you in the south might have some mix. Most likely that would be sleet or maybe a touch of freezing rain, but more likely sleet. That continues overnight into the morning tomorrow. In fact, there's 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Still snow falling in most areas, but by about the noon hour, which is right there, see it's lightening up, breaking up a little bit by mid to late afternoon. Maybe a stray snow shower, a flurry, but most of the snow will finally be out of here. Okay, here are the latest numbers with Pinpoint Predictor. Again, those of you in the far north
inches,
and the far south, they're going to be around that 5, 6 inch mark
12.6,
up over there.
10.9.
But east central Wisconsin,
12
the
inches.
most heavily populated portion of the viewing area, right there. Good 10, 11, 12 inches. Maybe some spots might even have locally heavier snow. And it is going to be that heavy west, so really tough to shovel. So take it easy there. And I mentioned all of that wind.
Come on, man.
The drifting, the poor visibility. Need to also mention with all of that wind and the heavy wet snow that can snap
40
trees,
miles an
branches, power lines could possibly come down. So those are just some of the things we need to be prepared for. I also have this little bit of a breakdown on the snow event. Tonight, about 6 to 8 inches for east central Wisconsin, with another 3 to 4 tomorrow, bringing that total up to about 6 to 12 across the area. But, yeah, the bulk of the snow.
I'm recording this.
I'm
recording this.
Northeast of Wisconsin.
Mom,
Pretty much the same. We're mostly in the low 30s, so Antigo, you're already down to 28. Officially, at the National Weather Service in Green Bay, 33. It feels like 19 now, with the Northeast. No.
Deshaun, move out of that area.
6 to 8 inches. Then ahead for tomorrow, with leftover snow, another 3 to 4 inches during the first part of the day. Again, the grand total will be about 6 to 12 inches. The snow ends during the afternoon hours. Look for daytime highs to only be in the low 30s. And then tomorrow night, a little bit of a cold one. 16 there. Skies clear up by Friday, 36 with some sun. Over the weekend, some spotty light snow and or rain showers. 41 on Saturday, 39 on Sunday.
Yes.
Monday and Tuesday, you melt some snow there with some 40s. But next Wednesday, as it turns even milder, rain showers return across the area. So it's a little bit of an active weather pattern.
Oh,
It's all downhill now.
well, exactly. Yeah.
Thanks, Brad.